Guys, welcome to my vlog. We're gonna talk about geometric sequence.
A sequence is geometric if there exists a number r called common ratio. The common ratio r can be determined by dividing any term in the sequence by the term that precedes it. Okay, let's have an example. Identify the common ratio and the next term in the following sequence. Number 1, 1, 2, 4, and 8. Of course, kanina diniscuss ko na kung paano kukunin yung common ratio. So, ang gagawin lang, yung second term, i-divide doon sa first term. So, 2 divided by 1 is equal to 2. Kung kukunin naman natin yung next term, kukunin natin si 8 and then i-multiply natin sa 2. So, the next term is 16 since 8 times 2 is equal to 16. For number 2, we have 80, 20, and 5. Para makuha natin yung common ratio, yung second term natin, i-divide natin ulit sa first term. So, 20 divided by 80 is equal to 1/4. So, that is, the next term is 5/4. Since 5 times 1/4 is equal to 5/4. Okay, for number 3 is 2, negative 8, 32, and negative 120. I-divide lang natin yung second term sa first term. That is, negative 8 divided by 2 is equal to negative 4. Yung negative 28, i-multiply natin sa negative 4. The next term is 512 since 128 multiplied by 4 is equal to 512. Okay, you know that they're geometric, so malalaman lang natin kapag common ratio sila. I give you more examples. The given sequence, if this sequence is geometric or not. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Number 1. 5, 20, 80, and 320. Of course, para ma-check natin na talagang may common ratio sila, kunin natin yung common ratio nila bawat isa. Kung di-divide natin yung 20 sa 5 is 4, then yung divide natin yung 80 sa 20 ay 4, then divide natin yung 320 sa 80 ay 4. Kung panay 4 ang ating nakuha, ito ay geometric sequence. Another, 7 is square root of 2, 5 is square root of 2, 3 is square root of 2, then square root of 2. So, to check, pag divide natin yung 5 is square root of 2 divided by 7 is square root of 2, 5 is all over 7. Kasi makakancel na yung square root of 2. 3 is square root of 2, and pag divide natin sa 5 is square root of 2 is 3 is square root of 5. The nth term of geometric sequence is given by a sub n is equal to a sub 1 r n minus 1, where a sub 1 is the first term and r is the common ratio. Okay, let's try to answer this. What is the 10th term of the geometric sequence 8, 4, 2, 1? So, identify muna natin yung mga given. Ito yung common ratio natin. 4 divided by 8 is equal to 1/2. Yung a sub n natin is 8. Yung formula is a sub n is equal to a sub 1 r n minus 1. Yung n natin is 10 dahil ito ay 10th term. A sub 10 is equal to 8 times 1/2. 10 minus 1. So, 8 times 1/2 and 10 minus 1 is equal to 9. So, ang gagawin nyo muna, ito muna ang kailangan nyong evaluate. Hindi yung 8 times 1, 1/2 raised to 9. So, that is 1/2 raised to 9. 1/2 raised to 9 is 1. 2 raised to 9 is 512. And then multiply 8 times 1, 8 of 10 is equal to 8 all over 512. Malulowest term natin kasi divisible sila sa 8. So, 1 all over 6. Hello everyone, this is arithmetic sequence. Enjoy this video. A sequence in which a constant d is added to the previous term to get the next term is called an arithmetic sequence. The constant is called the common difference. For each arithmetic sequence, identify the first term a sub 1, the common difference d1, and the next term is the sequence. For the first sequence, we have 2, 5, 8, and 11. Ano yung first term natin yan? Yung first term natin dyan ay 2. Next, yung common difference naman is 3. Bakit 3? Kasi, pag pinainos natin yung 5 sa 2 is 3. Pag minus naman natin yung 8 sa 5 is 3. So, ibig sabihin, ang common difference ay 3. So, ano ngayon ang next term? Ang next term natin ay 11. Add lang natin yung 3 is equal to 14. Kaya nakuha na natin yung next term niya. Second example, we have 1, 1 and 1/3, 1 and 2/3, 2, 2 and 1/3. Ano yung first term natin? 1. What is the common difference? 1/3. Itong didadagnan natin yung common difference sa 2 and 1/3. So, ngayon ay magiging plus 2, 2/3. Sa third sequence naman, we have 17, 12, 7, and 2, and 3. At yung first term natin dyan ay 17. At yung common difference ay negative 5. Para makuha natin yung next term, mag-add lang tayo ng negative 5 sa negative 3. So, negative 8. Now, we have an example, 2, 5, 8, 11. The common difference is 3. A sub 1 is 2. A sub 2 is 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. And a sub 3 is equal to 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. And a sub 4 is 8 plus 3 is equal to 11. A sub 1 is equal to a sub 1. A sub 2 is equal to a sub 1 plus t. A sub t is equal to a sub 2 plus d is equal to the parenthesis a sub 1 plus d parenthesis plus d is equal to a sub 1 plus 2d. Yung a sub 4 is equal to a sub t plus d is equal to parenthesis a sub 1 plus 2d parenthesis plus d is equal to a sub 1 plus 3d. Kaya, ang formula natin is a sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus parenthesis n minus 1 d. Yan yung n term of an arithmetic sequence. Find the 20 term of sequence 25, 23, 21, and 19, and 17. The first term is a sub 1 is equal to 25. The common difference is negative 2 since 23 minus 25 is equal to negative 2 and is equal to 20. Ano yung a sub 20? Gamit yung formulang a sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus n minus 1 parenthesis d. A sub 1 is 25 plus parenthesis 20 minus 1 parenthesis negative 2. Subtract 20 minus 1 is a sub 20 is equal to 25 plus 19 parenthesis negative 2. A sub 20 is equal to 25 minus 38. The a sub 20 is equal to negative 13.